With the possibility of a serious economic downturn looming, Amazon is hedging its bets by making available to sellers several new advertising features. These new advertising self-service tools will help Amazon to boost its highly profitable advertising revenues as operational costs continue to spiral upward and e-commerce growth is expected to slow down in the coming months. It's important for every seller to understand the potential of these features to help them to be more successful in their efforts to reach relevant audiences and convert them. Hello sellers, this is Hasan from Ecomclips. Today I will show you 3 new Amazon advertising features for Q4 2022 and how you can make more sales using them. Stay with me till the end. This feature allows sellers or brands of every size to easily create video campaigns that present their products and brand story to audiences both on and off Amazon in an immersive visual experience. Sellers can customize video creatives such as product demos, tutorials, and testimonials to increase engagement and relevant traffic that can help shoppers to better understand and how their products solve a need or desire during the consideration phase of the customer's buying cycle. With Video Builder, sellers can now create videos in sponsored campaigns for their entire product line and test multiple versions of those videos, experimenting with the different types of messaging. Video Builder allows sellers to upload products and other images from creative assets or desktops, pull a copy from detail pages and edit the color, font, and music options. Sellers can create multiple videos in under 10 minutes. These variations can be used in A/B split test to determine how best to fully engage and influence shoppers to buy a seller's product. To know more about the A/B test, please follow the I button. This feature will be available soon in the US. Rewarded sponsored display will permit sellers or brands to directly add an Amazon shopping credit into the sponsored display creative. Shoppers obtain the reward by clicking on the ad and purchasing the featured products. The value and utility of providing these types of experience was confirmed by an Amazon ad survey 2021, in which almost 100% of respondents in the US said that they were more likely to purchase a specific product if offered an Amazon shopping credit. Historically, special discounts and coupons displayed prominently in Amazon ads have generated higher conversion rates and ROAS. Over time, these results from these new features will provide interesting data because they will give actionable insights into whether shoppers prefer a special discount or a credit card that can be used later. That's all for today. I hope these features make sense to you. If so, then start using these features and boost your sales. If you need more help, please feel free to inform us. We will be there to assist you. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more advertising related tutorials. Thank you.